He did it for us. The ultimate sacrifice. He gave me his trust. And look how we paid the price. This bloodshed could have been avoided if I convinced heaven to work together. I took a hotel and I destroyed it. I know I could have done better, instead of letting you down.
Come on, little lady, why the frown? In the last 10,000 years, you're the first one to change this town. You can do this. Now I know it. For your story has just begun. You can't quit now. Hell, you owe it. There's still damage to be undone. You've changed my mind. You've touched their hearts, found the good in souls gone bad. The stage is wrecked. The crowd is gone, but by God, Charlie, the show, it must go on.
We can do this, we can build it. Best hotel that you've ever seen. Twice the bedrooms, we can fill it.
With more sinners than you can dream. It starts with you, you know it's true. Fulfill your destiny.
So long as I've got all of you with me.
To build a hotel, I think we need some brick and lumber.
Good thing we're in hell. Check out this little magic number.
Start with foundation.
Our remedial creativity.
No time for crying. We got a lot of work to do, and we gotta try and make the best of what's in ruins. New coat of paint.
New lights across the marquee.
With a little sorcery.
After the battle, masterless cattle, overlords hanging by a thread. With a bit of bravado, maybe tomorrow we'll be atop the heap. While the rest of hell's pissing, Alistair's missing, fled with his tail between his legs. Nature abhors a power vacuum, it leaves room for you and me. The future of hell belongs to the V's.
This place reeks of death. There's a chill in the air. And I barely escaped being killed by a hair. Great Alistair, altruist, died for his friends. Sorry to disappoint, that is not where this ends. I'm hungry for freedom like never before. The constraints of my deal surely have a back door. Once I figure out how to unclip my wings, guess who will be pulling all the strings?
We can do
We
this,
can do
we'll be
this,
better.
we'll be
Though
better.
redemption may take a while.
It may
They
take
were
a
sinners, we're their ledger.
And we're doing it with a smile.
We'll make a difference, wait and see. We're gonna do this, you and me.
And then tomorrow it